Okay, welcome back to Blackpool. I'm at Central Pier and it's going to chuck it down. I think we can hear thunder too in the background. I'm hoping to catch some video footage when it starts raining and watch everybody start running. Now we're just waiting for our targets to come past. Won't be long and it's starting to rain now. But a few drenched people in a second. There's Happy Days Arcade across the road, and look at the sky, it's getting really dark. The tower's just over there, and they're going to start pissing it down.
You'll see the lightning though, what? All lightning went right across there.